Hi everyone, back again after a long break. Had a lot of emotional turmoils. But anyways, the occasion today is Teachers Day and everybody's been wishing everyone a very happy Teachers Day. I've got a lot of messages for all the wonderful people who've been a part of Kalakriti's journey of the past 26 years that we completed. I'm not going to talk about teachers or Teachers Day. What I really want to elaborate this time is that we've been messaging, calling our teachers, professors from whom we actually learned. Always ignored one very realistic fact of life that it all begins from home. Your father, your mother. I mean, they've been the greatest teachers anyone of us could have ever had. Probably that's why we are what we are, of course. And then our extended families, our uncles, our aunts. I lost a very dear uncle who almost meant like a father to me, and who taught us to be compassionate, who taught us to be happy in every manner that you could be, who taught us to really accept everything as a part of life and be happy in whatever little you have or more you have. One of the most amazing selfless humans I have known in my entire life. I mean, I'm not exaggerating because that soul is no more. But what I realized over these days was that we have not been in as touch as we can with those people who've been that special to us in our lives, who mean the world to us, who've given in everything they had when we were small. We have been more busy with the social media, the digital world, with our own friends, with the clubbings and the partying and the holidaying and whatever. Um, that's all right. It's everyone's choice. This video is not to give any gyan to someone, but it's not to get to a point of regret wherein after losing a person and you sit back and regret that I wish I could, I wish I would, I wish I would have called, I wish I would have met, I could hug him the last time, I wish I could have spoken this, I wish I could have done this, I wish, and then that remains. It can sometimes be very deep in and synced. Uh, I mean, what I actually want to tell everyone was that I lost two very, very close, important people in our families. I know the pain is still there. The scenario, guys, right now is something like that it's not going to give you time to think. It's only going to give you a lot of sorrow, a lot of regretance over whatever you missed out. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I really want you guys to sit back, ask yourselves that, who are the teachers who are not recognized in our lives? They really need recognition. Who are the teachers who've given some meaning to you, to whatever you are, to whatever you've been? And I think they need to be recognized. So today, tomorrow, day after, please call those family people, some elder brothers, some didis, some kakis, mausis, mummies, mamas. I don't know who taught you something which we tend to normally ignore, and we are more worried about calling up our own teachers and professors or coaching class teachers or tour teachers like we are in Kalakriti. But honestly, we miss out on the most important ones. I really wish that you do not lose a near and a dear one. I wish health, I wish happiness to everybody around. But all those people who are our age or younger to us, it's a request. I beg to all of you, if you've not, please do get in touch with all of them. Please give them that amount of time they deserve. Please give them that amount of love they deserve. One call or one personal meet, you would actually see the joy they would have on their faces to see you guys. I have witnessed it myself. That is why I'm talking this. It's invaluable. So please try and balance your life with friends and family, especially our elder ones. Don't make them feel written off, because we are all going to be elder one day, and I think it's going to be a lot of unhappiness if we do not get that kind of attention and importance from the younger lots. I'm sorry if it's been getting too personal, but I I don't know. There are a lot of people who have always called and messaged me that why aren't you putting something? It helps us change the way we look at things. It helps us think in a better, positive way. I really wish this one would make a lot of difference to a lot of people. I'm signing off. Ritesh Gala from Soul Circle. Thank you so much.